A prestigious welcome from my side if you are new here. Hey there, this is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. Unlike other YouTube creators, I don't like killing your time. I'm always straight to the point and I bring awesome content like paid courses and certifications for free training and internship, free placement preparation, free scholarships, and whatnot. I strongly recommend you to check my channel and come back here. Now, let's get started. So this video, I'll be talking about 5 important things. The first thing is Python free workshop. Next, Python free self-learning course. And next, how you can be an organizer. And next, how you can be a learner. Finally, how can you be a participant. Now all these 5 are for free. And you will get a certificate at the end of this course by IIT Bombay and Ministry of India, which is MHRD, stands for Ministry of Human Resources and Development. So I recommend you not to skip the video at any part of time and watch it video till the end to decide what to get into it. So let's see the details of the first one, which is Python workshop. Now you can see this workshop is a 6 days workshop being organized by IIT Bombay in collaboration with MHRD. On first day, you will be learning about Python basics. Second day, you will be knowing the intermediate level on the third day, that is second part. So this workshop has 3 modules. First is introduction, second basic programming, third is advanced. So you can learn the topics and all. That is another part. I will tell some other important things that are to be noted. So you will have a 6 days workshop. You will get the certificate within 10 days after the completion of this course. After the workshop, you will get a certificate by IIT Bombay and this, like our MHRD, after 10 days of your workshop being completed. You can see the schedule of this course, like this workshop, and how to register and how certificates will be given, right? We'll be talking about how to register within a while after seeing the self-learning course. I'll be talking about how to register just in a minute. Now the second thing I would like to talk about is Python self-learning course. Now this self-learning course is a self-paced course. It means you can learn it by your own speed. There is nothing like time restrictions to complete or something like that. So in this Python self-learning course, this is a 15 days course. After this 15 days course, you will get a certificate from IIT Bombay being offered, right? This can help you a great thing in Python certification for your career. Now the duration is, now how to register for this course. Start date and end date has to be discussed, right? So this for learning course, in order to get enrolled for this course, you can enroll only on the first of every month. Like means this course will be started on every month's first. Like now let us think we have June 1st. You can register for this course before June 1st and you can start learning within 15 days of June 1st. Now from June 1st to June 15th, this course will be taken. After that course, you will get a certificate within 10 days. See, certificates are issued within 10 days after the course has ended. So that is about this course. There will be some questions and exam. You need to answer that. If you answer well and get it, if you get passed in that exam, you will get that certificate. So if you need answers for that exam, you can ask me. I'll try to provide at that day, on the day of exam. If the exam is same for all the students, I cannot. If not, I'll provide the answers for that. So do let me know in the comment section below if you need answers for that exam. So this is about self-learning course that everybody can participate. The next thing is Python workshops. How to enroll for this? I have told you about 5 things, right? Now I'm talking about the third thing. The third thing is how to be an organizer. You can be an organizer for this workshop. Organizer in the sense you are going to handle the course, entire course. You will be the in charge. You need to conduct classes on these topics. So this is about organizer. And the next thing is how to be a participant. You need not register for this as just a participant. For example, if you are acting as an organizer, you can have some students by yourself and you will be teaching those students as an organizer. You will get a certificate of appreciation if you act as an organizer. And if you wanted to be a participant, you will be the participant who are being selected by this organizer will get a certificate after the exam being conducted by this organizer. I hope you understood. Organizer will conduct an exam The participants will give the exam, and if they pass the exam being conducted by the organizer, you will get a certificate even with your marks. You can see the regards and certification. See, these are the marks. If you 90 to 100, you'll get A plus grade. 80 to 90, you'll get A grade, like this. And for the coordinator, that is organizers, you'll get certificate of appreciation. So this is about participating in this workshop. There is also another way for participate in this workshop. The way is that if you do not have any organizer for this workshop, and you cannot be a participant, right? So if you are an organizer, you will undertake some students and you will be teaching them, and you will be conducting an exam for them. This is about the two things. And the fifth thing is, you can get into this just by yourself. You need not have any organizer for this. This is the ways for this is, you need to give a mail for them. You need to write a mail stating that I wanted to be just a participant. I don't want to be an organizer. The email ID is this one: info@fossee.in. info@fossee.in. You need to write a mail for them, just stating I just wanted to be a participant in this next workshop online program. They will take you as a participant, and you will not have any idea about who is organizing the event. They will be taking an organizer, and you will be given to him. You will be undertaken by the organizer. That will be the interest of this team by the IIT Bombay. So you can be a participant just by writing a mail to them, or else you can be an organizer and take students and do that. You will be teaching that if you are an organizer. And the participants cannot simply apply for that. If you wanted to exclusively apply for that, you need to write a mail for that. This is about Python workshops. I strongly recommend you to write a mail for them, so that they will take you, and I will undertake you, and they will be teaching you. They will be conducting an exam. At the exam, if you clear the test, you will be getting a certificate based on the grading system. So this is about this Python workshop. And coming to the, as I have said already, Python self-learning course, you need not write any mail or something like that. You just need to enroll for this course on before the first. Once you enroll, till 15 days, the program will be continued, and after the program ends, you will get a certificate. Now, how to register for this, you will see here. In order to register for this Python self-learning course, you need to register on this and search for this course, Basic Programming Using Python. Duration by FOSSEE IIT Bombay, using the course code. You can use this course code Python. By this, you can get this. You can enroll for this course, complete all the lessons, exercises and quizzes in a module, then proceed to the next module. If needed, revisit the lessons. So this is how you will complete this total course. At the end of the course, that means you will get the certificate. You need to click on this register, and you need to register for that. Once your registration is done, you can go for that. So this is about this Python self-learning course, organization, and how can you be all these things. If you have any other questions, do not forget to ask me in the mail ID, like comment section below. If you are a new user, create with a new user, or else you can directly log into it. So you can see this new user sign up. So use this button to sign up for this. Provide your details, password and all. You will get that. And in the search box, you can use it. You can use that and get it.